No camera, only the GoPro today.
We're at Elite Finish's Golden Hour car meet.
First car we see.
I smell donuts, Alvaro.
Donuts?
We got donuts.
There's more inside.
Oh,
Look at this Benz.
with the cool wheels.
Is that video you get with the
I think I saw. I was like,
Some mirrors, look.
Dude, he was like holding the dog like it was like a rope. He was like, and the dog's like wiggles like that. It's so funny.
Little KMC. I think we're going to see like 5+ people that we know, or oh, look how good it is. So this is GTI. This is the gas one. Faster.
Look at that interior. That's so beautiful.
These buttons are for honking, like beep.
Really?
Beep. Yeah.
Nice. That is
Be wabbit.
here for the rabbit.
Yeah.
This is clean.
Where are the Supras?
Supras.
Point at them.
Supras.
Yep, Supravation. Oh, trying to turn up. 7-liter LS7 engine. Yo.
Whoa.
Mucha gasolina.
It's really cool.
Damn, look at that. Little fun thing. Oh, it's automatic? Interesting. GTR. And another GTR.
Whoa!
And
that was a cool
another
color.
GTR.
This was the most fun color.
This is the fun. Oh, look, even the logo.
Yeah. Colin?
mostly original, other than this is the overflow from a TR4, and the rest of the stuff is all original. And this is how you turn the heater off and on.
oh wow. Yeah.
Real basic. Yeah.
I don't know what that is. The T-Rex with horns. The suit has a phone inside. Manual TV already.
Pink Panther, I know her.
The interior's like crazy. Imagine being named like a spice.
Thyme.
Limon.
Oregano.
Yep, my name is Salsa. Hello, my name is
Paprika.
Chocolate. Oh no. Good, good.
us menacingly.
He is. This one though.
Especially
Even the wheels look.
Another one.
Oh shit, yeah. Hey, this should be together. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Little headlights.
Yeah.
I don't like S2000. Oh, you like little cars.
Certain little cars. Not every little car. So this is the Big Benz section.
Old Benzes. Dude, that color is beautiful. You don't really see it often.
Yeah, good. This thing is not gas efficient.
I noticed 10 miles a gallon.
My
Yeah.
guy. It's a fun car though.
This is a cool Corvette.
Whose Corvette is this?
What year is it?
Oh, I didn't see you there. This is my 2004 Corvette.
This is cool.
It was a tree. Look, feel it. This was a big tree, dude.
And then we got a train that passes here. It's retired now. Crown Bakes. Big nose.
No, no.
Looks like Squidward.
Mostly original, other than this is the overflow from a TR4. The rest of the stuff is all original. And this is how you turn the heater off and on.
Oh wow.
Real basic.
I don't know what that